I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents. This saves time during sign-up. Once done, open the My Jio app or Jio.com, select SIM or GeoFiber, and compare plans by speed, data cap, and price. Make sure to enter your service address to verify network availability. Next, choose a plan and press order or book installation. You'll be prompted for KYC and a delivery or installation slot. Start here so the provider can schedule the next steps immediately. After ordering, finish KYC promptly. Use Aadhaar OTP for instant verification when possible because it speeds activation. For GeoFiber, a technician will arrive to mount the ONT and run the indoor cable. Be present to confirm placement and testing. For a SIM, insert the card and follow on-screen activation steps or await auto-provisioning. Make sure you install the My Jio app so you can monitor activation, apply settings, and receive the required firmware or profile updates once the device responds to the network. Once the connection is live, verify it immediately, run a speed test, and open multiple sites to confirm consistent performance. Change the router's default SSID and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password to prevent unauthorized use. This also stabilizes throughput. If you face issues, reboot the ONT/router and retry. If problems persist, note your installation ID and contact Jio support for escalation. A single troubleshooting tip: always check wiring and signal LEDs before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.